Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to 𝗥𝗲𝗀𝗏. You're watching the Hacker Show. Today I'm going to show you DevSecOps, like how to push the code and how to deploy the things with the help of pipeline. So this is basically my portal dev.azure.com. This is basically, if you see the project Docker workspace deploy tenant, you can see Harsh DevSecOps, right? So what we can do next? So we need the things in order to understand thing in a proper manner. First, we need these two files. These two files I have already shared with you. You can download from my server during the classroom areas. I have shared tons of Docker file with you. You can download it, and this is the pipeline file. You push it this one to the repository, whatever you created. So in my case, this is the repo. You can see, and here you can see I have a Docker file. If you want to see the content, these are the content, this is the index. We will see in the end this particular section, and this is the pipeline, the template I created. So I already taught you how to design these templates. Once you identify all this and once you add everything in a proper manner, then you are going to add in the pipeline. So this is basically the pipeline, right? You push it first, and after that you can see this is the pipeline. So in my case, you can see everything is working perfectly, and if I just click on the Docker codes and everything, you can see everything is working as expected. So it is telling permission needed. I can simply give a permit area. So I'm building the pipeline. It means once you check your pipeline, after that you can build the things. In the end you will see the container coming on the portal. We need to deploy the application with the help of Azure DevOps. So here we are practicing in Azure area. That's how you can do the things, because still it is deploying. Once it is done, I'm going to create one more POC, what exactly the output after deployment. So you just do the same way. Another important part is if you simply go to the registry area, this is the Apache registry. So example, if I go to the resource group, this is the resource group, and when you go to the resource group, you can see I created Azure container registry. You can create with any name. When you go there, here you can see I created this is called my Apache registry. This is basically resource group, and this is container registry. And here if you want to see further downside, you will see different area like setting, deployment. You click on the deployment, and you can clearly see that we have Microsoft container registry succeeded. So you can simply click on this and you can see this is the deployment details, my Apache registry, and you can see the next step, go to the resources, right? I simply click on here, you will be redirected to the my Apache registry. If you want to push a container image, you can push from here, deploy container image from here, manage your access control from here. So this part, as we know, if you done OCPT program with us, you might be knowing about all this entire thing, what is access key, what is encryption, identity, and many other things. So these are not covering in this area. Next part here, if you want to understand, that is if you want to create a container registry, you can simply go to the resource group from this area, and you can simply add, create, and from this you can simply add the things, resource group, and you can add. One more thing I want to add, which is resource group, and you can see when you go to the resource group, simply click on the create, you will be redirected to this particular page. Now if I want to simply add container registry, you can see this is the container registry. Here that's how you can create the things. You can see this is the container registry. You can simply click on this button like this, and you can just give the information, like the production. So in my case, just now I've shown you like the resource group I created called ACR. So you can see this is the ACR. You can create a new one from this, enter the name, this part. If right now the first stage is completely fine, and registry domain name, that is you leave as it is, and no need to change anything. Simple go to that next area. This is part is directly click on the review and create. Your content registry is going to create after that. That's how it is. So stay tuned with us. Again, I'm going to show you after that what exactly the output and what will be the output regarding this container. So almost it is done. My pipeline, everything is set. You can see it's deployed. Let's go to the pipeline. Let's see, we have one more thing. Let's go and check what exactly it is in this area. Permission needed. Let me give the permission. See permit. So everything is done. Okay, so once it is done, okay, like I'm going to show you what exactly is the output. So it will take a time, so just hold it for a minute and we'll come back. So I'll just show you, okay, the POC in the next video. Okay, the output of this, whatever I deployed. If you want to learn about DevSecOps and other area, you can simply visit 𝗥𝗲𝗀𝗀.com. We have a very advanced program regarding DevSecOps area. So you can simply go to DevSecOps, and here you can see this is certified DevSecOps engineer specialist. We are covering 6+ domain. This is one of the powerful, too much technical content. So have a look into this. Have a great day. See you in the next episode.